All right, today let's set up a wiki inside our Azure DevOps. So wikis are on the left hand side here, the on our Azure DevOps. So wikis are basically, we know, are the central place for project documentation. So here let's get started. So we can either publish our code a repository, that is publish code as repository, or we can build a new wiki that is from the scratch. So in this demo I'll be showing you from the scratch. Let's provision a wiki. I'll click create project wiki. Now let's add like it's a kind of new page it has opened. This is a new page. We can give the page title as like something like project overview wiki, because this is the demo. And inside the page, if you look, it's a kind of simple markdown like heading we can write. It starts with hash. If you write heading, so hash, then kind of project overview. If you note that whatever I'm typing, it's coming here, right? With the formatting in the bold, and the heading, it's quite a big. So now let's add some bullet list to the objectives. Like I'll add objectives here. So I have already done the homework. Let's add this, the objectives. I'll paste here everything, and there we go. So this is showing the objectives. Please note, if I use two hashes, objectives is smaller in font than project overview, which is having one hash, right? And whenever we type hyphen, it takes this as kind of list. So we have successfully set up a wiki inside our Azure DevOps. So we found that wikis are the central place for the project documentation. So everyone on the team can access and contribute. Think of wiki as your project's knowledge hub. That's what it goes. Let's meet in our next tutorial, where we'll be learning about the markdown and how to format this in a beautiful way.